Hello and welcome back to the Imprint Assessments tutorial section. This is the tutorial for a company to view their database. So when you've already registered and received an email for welcoming you to the Imprint Assessment database, you'll then go to the login in the top right hand corner, click company, username, password, and then you're going to just click login. We're back to our fake company, Mr. Awesome Company. And so it tells me the kind of license I have, the seats I have available, and how many have taken it. And then if I want to purchase more seats, just remember you click there and you select the amount that you would like to purchase, or you can also purchase more here under the employee section. So let's take a moment and talk about the other thing, if you haven't already done so, was to add an authorized user. And these are people who can view everything on the database. They can't purchase, but they can view all of the company statistics. Now, an individual user cannot do that. They can only see their individual results, but an authorized user or the administrator can see everything. And the company settings, you should have already set up a location and set up your different employee positions. And if you haven't done that, or if you need to remember what to do, go back to the previous tutorial and it talks about how to set this up. So now the next thing you need to do is go to the employee section here and add new. So you're going to add a name, first name, last name, email. It says put in a fake email because this is a fake company, but yours wouldn't be there. Then you're going to select what position are they in. So click that, and then you're going to click the different locations. So if it's just one location, select one, but something needs to be selected there, and then create employee. Now, in our scenario here, I've already set up and I have a number of employees that we've done, so it gives you an opportunity to see what they look like. So once they're set up, their names populate in real time in these wheels. So it gives you a chance to see all three. You can double click all three of those and bring them up. But another way you can do that, which is probably the way I like even better, is come to the left side. And there's the assessment results. Here's competencies, personality, learning. So if you clicked competency, now you can see the wheel a little smaller and gives everyone's name there. But then you can come up top and say, I'm looking at store 1, but I'm looking only at executive team in the competencies, or only at leadership team. So it changes their names to go along with whatever you're looking for, whatever you need. The same thing is true, obviously, for personalities. So you can look at their personalities and you can decide which way you want to make that as well. So it gives you, it's just a great tool to help you understand what is the best way to view and understand and know your people. And the same thing with the learning styles, you can do that as well. So another thing you do when you're back at your home page is you're going to have all three of the wheels populated again in real time. So at any point you could say, I want to look at store 3 or division, whatever you set that up, and I want to look at the leaders in store 3, or I'd like to look at store 1, but I want to see the people who are not in leadership, all the other employees, and I'm looking for the personalities of these that I'm thinking about, maybe giving a different position to or putting into leadership. A lot of things you can do. Then also, you want to always go back and select these back to all and all. So now you have everyone populating the wheel. I could also say I'm looking for Chad. So when I do that, I look down there and there's Chad. And I could put in the word administrator, for instance. And so when I put that in and then click that, now I see just administrator. So, and then also, it just gives you an opportunity to really do this in any way that works best for you and to find out the information you need. At any time, I could come down here and just select a person and view their own results. So this gives me a way to coach them, talk to them, work with them. I know this is a deliberative marketer. This is how he thinks. This is how he works. This is how he learns. So I can just go through and it gives me great information all about that particular employee or team member and what I need to do or what I want to do to help him to learn better how to grow or to be a leader, and where I want to use him in my organization. So basically, that's the overview of the database, and feel free to look at some of the other tutorials in the how it works section. There's a number of tutorials here that will help you to understand what to do. Thank you.